Were you writing something? Yes, I was writing a poem. No, I wasn't writing. What were you doing at 10 a.m.? I was attending an online class. I wasn't doing anything. What were you wearing at the party? I was wearing a blue dress. I wasn't wearing formals. Was your phone ringing? It was on silent mode. No, it wasn't ringing. Were you using your laptop during class? Yes, I was taking notes. No, I wasn't using it. Were you waiting for the bus? Yes, I was waiting for 20 minutes. No, I had booked a cab. Were you painting yesterday? I was busy cleaning my room. What were you writing in your notebook? I was writing new vocabulary words. I wasn't writing anything. Were you waiting for someone? Yes, I was waiting for my friend. No, I wasn't waiting. Was the train moving fast? Yes, it was running at full speed. No, it wasn't moving fast. Was she baking a cake yesterday? No, she ordered one from the bakery. Were you checking your phone? Yes, I was checking my messages. No, I wasn't checking it. Were you learning something new? Yes, I was learning coding. No, I wasn't learning anything. Was she writing in her diary? Yes, she was writing about her day. No, she was busy on a video call. Were you baking something? Yes, I was baking cookies. No, I ordered food online. Were you learning English grammar? Yes, I was learning past continuous tense. No, I wasn't learning English grammar. Were the students submitting their assignments? No, the professor extended the deadlines. Were you searching something online? Yes, I was searching for English practice videos on English Tales. Were you saving your file? No, I wasn't saving it. Were you shopping online yesterday? No, I was just browsing items. Were you recording a video? No, I forgot to charge my phone. Were you cleaning the fan? Yes, I was removing the dust. No, I wasn't cleaning it. Was your friend updating her story? Yes, she was posting stories. No, she wasn't updating stories. Were you waiting for your order? Yes, I was waiting at the counter. Were you practicing your speech? Yes, I was practicing for the event. No, I wasn't practicing. Were you fixing the clock? Yes, I was charging the battery. No, I wasn't fixing it. Are you enjoying this video? Comment your answer. What were you doing last night at 9 p.m.? Let's practice together. Was it raining in the evening? Yes, it was raining heavily. No, it wasn't raining heavily. Was she learning a new language? Yes, she was learning Spanish. No, she wasn't learning any language. What were you doing in the market? I was buying vegetables. Was your phone charging? Yes, it was plugged in. No, I forgot to charge it. Was the fan making noise? Yes, it was making a strange sound. No, it was working fine. Was your friend driving the car? Yes, he was learning how to drive. No, his sister was driving. Were you waiting for the lift? Yes, it was taking too long. No, I took the stairs. Were you charging your laptop? Yes, the battery was low. No, I forgot to bring the charger. Were the lights working properly? Yes, everything was fine. No, they were blinking. Were you ironing your clothes? Yes, I was getting ready. Were you attending class online? No, my internet was not working. Were you buying fruits from the market? Yes, I was buying mangoes. No, I went there for vegetables.